Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Mag-react tayo guys. Batang Pongogo Santo, my name is Jun Mahinay. Papakala ko si Jun Mahinay po. Mag-react tayo ng nakakatakot. Walang kukurap guys. Panoorin na natin to. Sa Batang Pongogo Santo. Yan, mag-react tayo guys. Sa mga pangyayari sa ating mundo ay napapakita na napaparamdam. Ano guys, panoorin na natin to. Wala nang patungtutut pa. Samahan nyo ako guys sa Batang Pongogo Santo. Guys, shout out to lahat dyan guys. Sa mga hindi pa nanonood dyan, mga hindi man nakilala dyan, sa Batang Pongogo Santo. Panoorin natin to guys. Wala nang patungtutut pa. Tara, samahan nyo ako guys.
His phone and start recording. What he captured just outside the window left him frozen in place.
Kaya po mag-reload. Lumasa ako na eh. Lumira.
The camera pans toward the workshop window and just behind the boundary wall up.
Yan guys nakita mo yung guys, napakaliit, parang hindi ko alam kung tao to eh, multo eh, no? Ito guys, tayo na nang bahala mag-comment na kayo guys. Yan, panoorin na natin guys, tingnan natin ang reaction.
Pale, ghostly face can be seen peeking over. It's barely visible at first, but the longer you look, the more unmistakably human it appears.
Guys, nakakatakot naman to guys, nakakakilabot naman to guys. Ito, ang hindi ko alam kung bata to o... Tayo na naman guys, ano to kaya, tao lupa ba to?
Except, its eyes are too dark, and the skin looks unnaturally white. This next unsettling clip was recorded by a man who had been home completely alone for the night. He kept hearing strange creaks and thumps, so he finally decided to start recording, just in case.
Pagbukat lang ng dito, nakakatakot na yun, nakakakilabot. Baka may bigla na lang lulusog yung bata. Hindi ko alam kung bata ba to eh.
He caught gave him chills.
Ano kaya yun guys? Nakakakilabot naman yung mga nila. Nakakatakot yung sinto pala, nakakakilabot na, di ba guys? Reaction natin dito. Ano kaya to? Sabi lang naman gusto guys, nakakatakot talaga. Lalapit pa lang siya, nakakatayo ka ng balahibo. Commercial na naman to guys. Commercial na naman. Kaya nang bahala guys Magre-reaction tayo.
The man's phone is pointed toward his bedroom door, which slowly begins to creep open on its own. He cautiously walks out to check the hallway, and that's when you can clearly hear it. Faint noises echoing from another room, but no one else is in the house. No pets, no open windows, just an open door and a presence that doesn't want to be seen.
Natatago siya guys, no? Diyan, hindi lang nawawala eh. Yan ang mga... Ikaw lang mag-isa talaga. Pinapakitaan ka talaga yan. Panoorin natin guys.
This next clip comes from a home security camera set up in the kitchen by a family who had been experiencing strange, unexplained activity late at night. At first, they thought it might just be their imagination, until their camera caught this. The kitchen is empty and completely still, until one of the objects in the kitchen begins to shift slightly on its own. It's a subtle movement, but enough to make you question what caused it. Some viewers say it could just be uneven flooring. Others believe it's a sign of something else, something watching, maybe even waiting. This next eerie clip comes from a home CCTV camera facing the front yard.
Puto nga may mga CCTV guys, no? Yung mga napapakita. Pagka iniiwan mo lang yung camera guys, Siyempre, pagka may papakita sila, ay hindi nila alam na may nakasabot sa CCTV, guys. Kaya panoorin guys. Wala nang matututulog ka.
At first, it just shows a cat walking by. But what happens next? Even the cat wanted nothing to do with it.
Yeah, mas damo guys ha. Nagpapakita guys. Nagpaparandam na. Panoorin mo to guys. Wala kang kukurap to guys. Panoorin nyo. Huwag kayong di bigla matakot. Biglang tumakbo yung aso guys, no? Kasi yun yung paramdam yung mga hindi natin alam kung bulto to o elemento, yung mga engkanto. Bigla na lang tumakbo yung hayop eh. Hindi natin alam na nila silang nananakit o hindi.
The footage shows the cat casually exploring the area until it suddenly freezes, staring
Ay,
directly
pusa
at the
pala.
closed gate. Then, without anyone in sight, the gate slowly swings open on its own. The moment it happens, the cat bolts terrified as if it saw...
Biglang tumakbo yung pusa. Diba guys? Biglang tumakbo yung pusa, takot tuloy. Na napakita siya. Biglang tumakbo, tapos minaparamdam yung pusa na biglang napatakbo yung pusa, guys.
Something that we can't. This next eerie exploration comes from Franco TV, who journeyed deep into the remote mountains of Chile to investigate the site of a disturbing 411 missing persons case. For years, locals have claimed that hikers and wanderers have mysteriously vanished here, without any clear cause, no evidence of a struggle, and no reasonable explanation.
It is just creepy though. That's the little monastery up there. What's that? I'm sorry for the wind noise, guys. I see something moving.
Ano kaya yun, guys? Nakakatakot yung bahay niya para may jumping, guys. No? Bahala kayo mag-gusta. Baka meron dito ng mga elemento dyan sa loob ng bahay. Kasi wala nakatira kasi, guys, eh.
What was that? I just saw something inside the monastery. Oh, that was creepy. Alright, I'm making my way towards the chapel again to keep hearing noises.
Bakit di kaya nakalapot si tatay? Hindi kaya natatakot siya. Malitas yung bahay na to, guys, eh. Hindi natin alam na ano kaya ang meron dyan.
It sounds like the gate. Hear it? I wonder what the hell I seen. I saw something passing by the door.
Mamaya mag-direct tayo.
Hear the wind? I hope my little makeshift wind protector's working on the mic.
Ako tuloy, natatakot tuloy ako sa mga ginagawa ni tatay. Kaya panoorin niyo mabuti. Talagang nakakatakot talaga.
And you guys aren't getting too much sound. The wind gust is ridiculous out here.
Right at the start, Franco captures a shadowy figure moving inside one of the abandoned huts.
You see? And then you have a whole bunch of clothes, shoes. There's kids' shoes in here too. I looked at my vlog channel and I just found all these clothing that just belongs to random people. These are short pants from another kid. There's even a suitcase. Someone who got lost. Tú eres un niño buscando a tu mamá, tu papá. Tú eres perdido. Oh, there he goes again.
Katulad sa akin, guys, oh. EMH. Katulad sa akin.
Yep, see it?
Sabit ko nga to.
Oh, I just heard a noise in that room. Oh, it gave me goosebumps just now. I just felt like somebody was staring at me right here.
Ano kaya yung puti na yun, guys? Ano kaya yung puti na yun? May puti eh. Gugutom na ako.
I just see something in the window.
Mamaya
Later,
kakain
he
din ako,
stumbles
guys.
upon a room filled with clothing, possibly left behind by the missing victims, and even records some.
Yun no, nakita nyo yun sa bintana, nakasilip yung bintana yung multo. Yeah, guys, you know? Ako hindi pa ako nakakita ng multo, guys eh. In the first time.
Something briefly peering through the window.
I can run, just measure. Nope. Nothing. Alright. Look at the window. You see?
Nakakatakot talaga. Pagkapasok ka sa loob. Ito ko lang.
Hola? Oh, this is stupid. I feel like I'm playing Ready or Not. This is like a lot of...
May nagwawala, eh, no? Ah, alam mo, may tao sa loob, eh, no? Bulto lang na sa loob, eh.
It sounds like thunder.
Then again, a dark shape can be
Dumidilim
seen
na.
peeking from the same window, only to vanish moments later. This next chilling moment was captured by a CCTV camera in an office building after hours. The entire
Hype
floor
na
was
nga.
empty for the night, but
Hype nga yung mga CCTV, no? Para malaman nila yung kung anong ginagawa yung sa loob ng ano nila, room, no? Kaya sa pabrika. Kaya kayo lang mga house dyan na narami ng uso na ngayon yung mga CCTV ngayon.
something or someone was still moving around.
Sa loob pa lang, nakakatakot na eh, no? Lalo na pag ikaw lang mag-isa. Pang mas mabuto dahil kung sa lalabas yung multo. Wala nang kukurap.
The footage shows an empty, quiet office. Everything appears normal until one of the chairs
Ano yun?
suddenly slides back as if pushed by an unseen force.
Nakita mo yung guys, tulay itim na parang, ano, panoorin mo.
It doesn't wobble. It doesn't tip. It
Ah!
moves smooth, deliberate.
Upuan, gumalaw. Kulay itim, no?
Motion as if someone invisible was sitting in it, then stood up. This next strange moment was caught on CCTV footage from a commercial building late at night. A security guard was doing his usual rounds, but what the camera captured left everyone baffled.
Si Kuya naglalakad, no? Dito na talaga rin mabuti yung ano yun. Baka gumalaw eh. Panoorin natin. Panoorin niyo mabuti guys ha. Lalive na lang ako.
The footage shows the guard walking through the hallway, then
Ano kaya tinuturo niya? Kayo lang magusta guys. Mag-comment lang kayo guys.
suddenly he stops. He turns slightly as if noticing someone, then begins to gesture and speak as if giving directions to a child. At one point, he even sits down, bending to eye level like talking to a lost little girl. But here's the disturbing part. The CCTV footage shows absolutely no one there. This
Yan. Hindi, no? Talaga may CCTV talaga. Maganda talaga may CCTV talaga.
next eerie encounter was captured by a man exploring the closed Cherokee Heritage Center during the day. The site had been
Ang ganda naman yung bahay niyan guys. Napakaganda.
shut down for over 2 decades with no public access. But what he discovered there raises serious questions.
Ang ganda naman ng bahay. No? Yung mapakalamig ng bahay niya guys. Puro kahoy na lang. Napakaganda yung bahay niya. Pero yung bahay naman nakakatakot. Lalo pag madilim. Ito, parang simbahan. Parang simbahan guys, no?
Dude, that's so creepy. As he walks through the abandoned grounds, he passes by the old church building. Suddenly, a faint recording begins to play from inside, despite the building being completely closed off and without power. This next investigation comes from Alberto Del Arco, a paranormal researcher.
Ayun po yung yung paranormal, no? Yan ang para malaman kung andito ba yung mga elemento. Kaya yun yung pinakamagaling na paranormal sa ibang bansa, guys. Talagang titinan yung papaligiran para malaman kung andun sila mga lugaw na kaluluwa, yung mga elemento, mga duwende. Kaya yun, guys. Kaya tinitignan niya mabuti at gustong-gusto niyang kakausapin yung mga elemento. Kayang-kaya nilang kausapin. At may mga third eyes sila.
Known for exploring some of Mexico's most terrifying abandoned sites. In this episode,
Lugar pala ng mga Mexico, guys. Yan, mga magagaling mga paranormal yan, guys.
his team heads into a long-abandoned high school that locals claim is anything but empty.
Blancanieves, no es la de los 7 enanos. Blancanieves se refieren a una mujer que era la hija del venador cuando antiguamente se le permitía vivir aquí. Una persona que no estaba bien en sus facultades mentales, pero que la... ¿Ok? ¿Viste eso? Sí.
Yan ang mga paranormal, mapakagaling, guys. Hindi katulad ng mga ibang Pilipino, hindi katulad kung gawa-gawa nila yan. Kaya na mag-gusto, guys, mag-comment lang kayo.
Esto es más a lo lejos.
Siguro abandon to, guys, no? Abandon to. No? Napaka walang tao nakatira dito eh. Abandon to siguro.
Se oyó algo por allá. ¿Fuiste tú, Tony? No. ¿Lo viste? Sí. ¿Qué fue?
The team begins to pick up a series of strange and unexplained noises echoing throughout the building.
Creo que es el otro lado.
Ang tatapang nila guys, no? Ang lalakas ng loob nila. Yun naman yung mga ano nila, kagamitan kompleto.
Que yo imagino que todos estos lugares, mira, ve. Es por acá. Permiso. Con gusto.
Alam ko yung may nagsasalita eh. Ang ganda pala yun. No? Hype ko yung kagamitan nila. Pero gusto ko magkaroon ng gamit guys eh.
Me imagino que fue un pájaro.
Nakakatakot talaga guys, no? Kung alam nyo lang, nakapasok kayo sa abandon. Agad nakakatakot talaga.
Adelante, ti, adelante, ¿lo ves? No se me acaba de pasar. Adelante, ti, allá. Sí, cruza hacia la derecha. Ay, cruza a la derecha, cruza a la derecha. ¿Lo viste?
Uy, no, estaba volteando hacia los lados.
Then they catch sight of movement, and at one point, something clearly shifts in one of the rooms, and they notice it instantly.
Ok, creo que voy a vomitar.
Ay, ¿qué fue? ¿Qué?
No sé, güey, no sé. No sé, vienes por arriba como vamos, güey.
¿Alcanzó a ver hasta allá? ¿Qué pasó?
Soy yo quizá. Ay, güey.
Their motion detection device suddenly goes off, signaling that something or someone might be nearby.
Ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang tayo guys. Maraming salamat po. Batang Bungo Go sa channel. Batang Bungo Go Hunter channel. My name is Jun Mahina. Maraming salamat. Tapos na tayo mag-reaction. Muli magpapaalam. Samantala lang. Maraming salamat po. Paalam. At maraming salamat pa manunood. Sana po mag-subscribe niyo po ako. Maraming pong salamat sa inyo lahat. My name is Jun Mahinay. Batang Bungo Go Hunter. Paalam!